Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this UV LED gel nail kit that I got from SXC. Here it is here. You can see the outside package. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, I'm struggling, y'all. I'm gonna get it eventually. There it is. And let's take a look on the inside. Alright, finally, after all of that struggling, we have here the lamp, the UV LED lamp. Pretty. Here's a box. Just this piece of paper. Oh, okay. So the manual, front and back, and that's it. Now let's get to the box. Okay, so this is the power adapter for the lamp. And now here we have the lamp. It's really pretty. Yeah, this will fit nice. Okay, so we have 2 time settings. One's 30 seconds, the other is 60 seconds. Here's the on button, the power plug cable, and then it's a 24-watt lamp. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in really quick to test it out. I sped up this part because it was taking me a little long to get the plug in, but just giving you a heads up. And here it is, lamps on, 60 seconds. This is nice. Tap once for 30 seconds, tap again for 60 seconds, and then third time for off. Awesome. Alright, and we're done with the lamp. So now it's time for the best part. We're gonna get down to the gels. Or the poly gels, sorry. Here we've got the box here, SXC Polygel Nail Kit. Alright, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Look at it. Oh. Okay, so you got the manual or the instruction manual. And here is the spatula. Well, the 2-in-1. So brush on one end, spatula on the other. This is the brush here on this side. And then on the next side is this spatula. And now we're down to the gels. So we have the light pink, rose pink. This one, this is the jelly pink. Next we have, okay, this is nude. Then the white. And lastly, okay, clear polygel. Okay, and under here we have, okay, so we have the top coat, base coat, glitters, the dual forms. This is the, oh, this is pretty. This is like a whitish glitter. This one's more of a pinky purpley. This one's a rose goldish kind of color. We have gold glitter. This is pretty too. This one's white or iridescent. And then this one's more of a silver glitter. And I think we also have here, I see the top coat. Yep, top coat. Base coat. Nice. And then there's the file, or the file I should say, since there's only one. It's 180 grit file, washable. It's curved a bit. Here are the dual forms. Let's take a look and see what's in here. I'm excited. Okay, so see the form has a nice curve to it. Oh yeah, that's nice. I believe most of them are all like that as well. And here we have the paper forms, the gold forms. And that's all that came in the box. Alright, it's time to swatch the gels, the poly gels. I've been waiting for this. we're gonna go ahead and start with the nude one first. We're gonna swatch the nude. Here's what the nude looks like. That's pretty. Next up is the white. And there's the white color. It's not a stark white, it's more of a milky white. So it's not bam in your face white. It's a really pretty color though. Here's the light pink. Oh my gosh. I hate when that happens. It annoys me if I don't get a clean peel. Don't you just hate that? Oh my gosh. Wow. Let's try again. Okay, this time looks better. Good enough. Next up is the rose pink. This looks pretty on the bottle. Let's see what it looks like on the inside the tube. Oh, that's nice. It's a pretty pink. Yeah, it's a pretty pink. And up next, we have the jelly pink. This one's a pretty see-through pink. And last but not least, we have the clear polygel. There we go. That's all the colors in the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and cure these. I did go ahead and put the little dots on the side on the case because I believe I'm going to keep this, at least the plastic casing. And so here you can see each polygel tube has a little dot on the right of it. Clear, jelly pink, rose pink, even down to the light pink, the white, and then last the nude. And that was everything. Thank you so much for tuning in to the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Peace out. Have a good day.